Doesn't matter if you're a messenger bot user from my Baby Got Bot crew, my bot shots, or you are a content marketer and you're building an email list. Maybe you're using group funnels to export lists into a Google Sheets from your Facebook group. You don't know what group funnels is? Now you know. I'm going to show you how you can validate your emails, color code them, my husband would be so proud, and filter out the emails that just aren't right. They're just not correctly done. So that's what I'm going to show you first. Those are the 3 things. I know you're excited. Let's get nerdy with this. I have here some emails. None of these emails are legit emails, so don't try emailing me. But we have here kelly@email.com, which would register as a legit email, right? That's the format. It's not incorrectly typed in. We have kelly@email.nuttin. We have kellyemail.com, which is more of a URL than an email, right? And then we have info@email.info. So how do we know? Let's say we have exported a list and we've got just like 100 people or more here. And I'm like, man, I don't want to manually go through this. I don't want to pay a VA. I just want it done. I'm going to show you how to get it done. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to validate the email. So we're going to go over here to our B block. So we're going to go equals, right? And you're going to go is, just type is, email. You see where it pops up? You're going to click on that, and then you're just going to click on the first A section here. Close that. Boom. So that's true. That's an actual email. So then we're going to just drag this down, and it's going to tell me true, false. False, true. And that is absolutely correct. But what if you're a color coordinated freak, like my husband, for instance, huh? Or if you just want an easy way to like pass it with your eyes, color does help with that. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So now what we're going to do is just highlight that box, or you could just select the whole column. We'll just do that. You're going to go up to where the colors are. So we're going to go to conditional formatting. And when you click on conditional formatting, it's already highlighted that entire area that you want to highlight. So now we are going to go to format if is empty. No, we don't want is empty. We want text contains. Text contains what? Let's make it true. If it's true, it's automatically going to opt in for green. Done. Beautiful, but we're not done yet. I want to put some red in here. I like color in my life. So we're going to go to, let's have another rule. It's still highlighted. We're going to say if it contains false, dun, dun, dun. We can change the color to anything we want. I'm going to go red. Boom, look at that. Done. And then everything else is just going to remain blank. Now, as I go through this and the formula is working, let's say I export more, it's going to continue to make those color changes because I've selected the whole column. And it's only going to make those changes to these 2 formulas, true or false. Okay, we're going to actually immediately filter out the trues or the falses. We're actually going to filter out false. Now, this is actually going to work for more than just what I'm showing you. So it doesn't matter if it's email. If you want to filter certain things out based off of a keyword or what have you, this is a very quick way of doing it. So let's pop on back over to our Google Sheet here. What we're going to do is we're just going to highlight it. You're going to go to these little dots up here. You're going to click on this little siphon thing. It's create a filter. We're going to create that filter. Yeah, we are. See, create a new filter here. We're going to name this filter, let's say email true. Then we're going to click on this little guy right here. All right, so you see down here these check marks. I have blanks. I can remove all the blanks. I don't really need to do that. I can remove the falses or the trues. We're going to remove the falses. Watch what happens. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to say, okay, look at that. Boom, done. So now, if I want to quickly take that around, I'm just going to click on this little guy here. We're going to take out the false. Boom. In the 3 things that I showed you today, I was able to show you 1, how to validate your email addresses. 2, how to color coordinate your columns based off of key terms or anything. You could do it by blanks, whatever. Then number 3, how to filter your results so that you could just take out the noise that you don't want. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'm going to be back here on the Baby Got Bot channel with tons of tutorials this month. So you're not going to want to miss out. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, you're going to really like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Now get out there and start building.